So in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair GBPJPY in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 1st to 5th May 2023. Now, GBPJPY on a weekly time frame in this week gained some strong bullish momentum to make a breakout of the previous major resistance that it had over here to come all the way, make a retest on this major high over here and close the week with this bullish engulfing candle like this. Now, this kind of strong bullish momentum and engulfing candle close towards a major resistance or major high is an indication of the price to continue pushing up with that same momentum to create new higher high. And if that's the case on the upcoming week, if price continues to push up creating new higher high, then we can expect price to continue pushing up towards this next key level, which we marked on the basis of multiple major retest points, which you can see if you go to these previous records from 2016, we have these multiple major retest points towards this key level. So that's where we expect price to continue pushing up to or all the way towards this key level, which again has these multiple major retest points. So that would be if price continues to push up to create new higher high on the upcoming week, continuing this bullish momentum. But before doing that, if price faces resistance from here and goes for some small pullback or correction move, then we mark this key level on the basis of again with multiple retest points that you can see better on a shorter time frame where price might make that small correction or pullback move over here. Now if we go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see our higher time frame uptrend line and also our very recent strong uptrend line which price is currently moving in respect to. Now for us to look for trades on the upcoming week on the bullish side on GBPJPY, we need GBPJPY to continue respecting these key levels as its support and make a break and close above these high with further bullish momentum in respect to this uptrend line to continue pushing up creating new higher high. And for us to look for trades on the short side creating the pullback or correction move, if price makes any, we need to see if price closes below a shorter time frame support zone that it could be forming over here on the upcoming week. If price closes below that support zone with further bearish momentum, we need that to look for trades on the short side to trade that pullback or correction move towards these key levels over here. Now we are not going to be looking for trades on this higher time frame. Obviously we'll be going to shorter time frame, look for certain structure and then wait for a break and close above or below that structure to look for trades obviously. So for that reason, if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame to locate such a structure, then on this 4-hour time frame we don't see a proper structure yet, since as you can see this strong bullish momentum, we don't see multiple highs and lows, a proper support and resistance zone on a shorter time frame point of view. So we can go to even shorter time frame like a 1 hour to 30 minutes time frame. Then on this 1 hour time frame we do see some consolidation over here. Now it's still too early, we need to wait on the upcoming week. After the week opens, we need to wait for some time for the price to make some highs and lows to consolidate and form a proper structure with a proper support and resistance zone. So let's say on the upcoming week price continues to consolidate a range and form a structure with a proper resistance somewhere like here and with a proper support maybe somewhere around here. Now these are some imaginative support and resistance zone. So let's say that's how the price forms a support and resistance zone on the upcoming week with multiple retest points at least on a 1 hour time frame. And if such a structure does get formed and price closes below that structure support zone with further bearish momentum at least on a 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame, then we can expect price to make some small pullback or correction move towards this key level which you saw on this 4-hour time frame right around here that we marked on the basis of these retest points over here. And if price even closes below that key level with further bearish momentum, then we can look for further short trades anticipating price making some pullback or correction move towards these key levels over here and probably make a retest on this uptrend line as well. But those short trades should be for a short time period, since the initial movement of the price looks really bullish with its strong bullish momentum towards this resistance over here. So when you see price after making some pullback or something like that here, making a break and close above that structure that it could be forming over here with further bullish momentum, at least on a 30 minutes to 1 hour time frame. You can wait for some structure to be formed over here with some, again, shorter time frame structure, and then look for trades on the breakout of that structure to avoid any fake out traps over here, for the price to continue pushing up in respect to this bullish momentum to make a retest on this major key level, which we talked about on the weekly time frame. Right around here has multiple major retest points over here. Similarly, if price even closes above that key level, you can look for further long trades on GBPJPY, hoping price to continue pushing up towards the next key level, which is right around here. So that's my analysis for the upcoming week on GBPJPY in multiple time frames, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the description as well, so you can see where all these key levels and zones are. And to know more about my mentorship details, you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram from the links in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on GBPJPY.